Unlock a truly professional online presence by seamlessly connecting your custom domain to your Webflow project. First, navigate to your Webflow project dashboard and click on Site Settings in the left-hand menu. Within Site Settings, select the Hosting tab. This is where we'll manage your domain connection. Under the Custom Domain section, you'll see an input field. Enter your desired custom domain name here, for example, yourbrand.com. Now, you'll need to configure your domain's DNS records with your domain registrar. Webflow will provide you with specific records, usually in a record pointing to their IP address and a CNAME record for verification. These are crucial for telling the internet where your Webflow site lives. After saving these DNS changes at your registrar, it can take a little time for them to propagate across the internet. This process, known as DNS propagation, can vary but usually completes within a few hours. Once propagated, Webflow will automatically detect the changes. You might see a domain connected status or a prompt to verify the connection. Follow any on-screen instructions to confirm everything is set up correctly. And just like that, your website is live on your own professional, memorable domain. This simple step significantly elevates your brand's credibility and makes your site easily discoverable for your audience. Go ahead and launch with confidence.